And just like that, Ninja got me. This is a Ninja Blendboss, and if you know anything about me, you know I love a good blended coffee, so we're about to open this up and make one today. Now, this baby is brand new on the market, and it comes in tons of colors, which I absolutely love. It even comes in a purple, lavender, pink, all sorts of stuff. The difference between this one and my last one is that the blender cup is an actual cup, and it even comes with a lid and a straw, so that way I can go ahead and take my drink on the go with minimal dishes. I gotta wash all of this before we use it. I'll be back. I went ahead and did a test blend, and let me tell you, this baby has a feature on here that I really enjoy. This feature here, like you saw that little nib is coming up, you take it and pop there. When you set it on the blender, it'll go ahead and pop that portion close. It cannot come undone, so as it's blending, it doesn't come loose because the top on this one has come loose before. My ingredients have gone inside of my blender that I cannot clean out of that because I can't submerge this in water. So the fact that they thought about that with this one is amazing. By the way, this one is also a Ninja. It's just infinity years. The other thing that's nice is that this baby here suctions to your countertop, so while it's blending, it's not shaking and moving all over the place. That was the same thing with their old model, so I'm glad that they kept that because that's an amazing feature. The size difference is crazy. Okay. All right, so I've got my ice in the cup. I'm gonna go ahead and put a scoop of my mushroom coffee. There's a max fill line on here, and that max fill line is right about there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pop this lid on here. It goes ahead and secures just like that all the way. And then from there, I'm just gonna go ahead and toss this baby right on top of here. Take it and lock it in place just like that there. And then my lights start letting me know, okay, I can blend. And I'm gonna go ahead and set it to blend. All right, take it off. I'm gonna go ahead and unlock, turn that baby back over. And I will say this is much quieter than my old one. So the fact that it's space saving, brightly colored, it does come in cooler colors if you wanted to. Child, where did that accent come from? It does come in cooler colors if you want it as well. This baby here, once everything sunk down, went ahead and popped up, let me know I'm safe to open. And we're just gonna go ahead and open like that there. This portion here is easier to clean because of the fact that it's not down in it. I'll show you. This is my old one. This is the new one. The old one, food particles and things got stuck down this little lip here. This one doesn't even have a lip for it to get stuck in, which is amazing. That makes cleaning so much easier. And with this straw here, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this lid, we'll pop it on here. To open, we just push right there. I'm gonna put the straw in. Now I realize this looks like the top, it's actually the bottom because it's silicone, and that way it closes when I close the lid. That's amazing. That's fantastic. Easy for me to take on the go. I can blend it, make it for work, and this part's small enough to fit in the cup holder in my car. Plus, this part is non-slip. Yeah, that's amazing. So glad it'll take up less space in my pantry as well. A win is a win. If you're interested in it and you know you love Ninja products because they're well made, I've got other Ninja products in my house, like my air fryer here. I would definitely suggest checking it out. I've got to clean up the mess I made, but I'll talk to you later, boo. I love you. Bye.